Hello YouTube. Welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you like what you see, hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put new videos out. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to have you back. So today is Monday, so I am posting a video. It's an open collaboration. It's with Rosemary's You Rock Art. It is color and create with You Rock Art. So I will put the link for the collaboration in the description box down below. So every week you can color a coloring page with them. They're finishing a book up, so I ordered the new book, so I will be ready when they start their new book. But you can color, you can create any kind of crafty thing. You can, I think you can even create food and cooking things and show what you're creating. So yeah, I've shown my coloring page a couple times on my live show. It's almost done. I just have this little bit right in here and down here to finish. So yeah, this is the coloring page I am working on. It actually came from a coloring book I got from Dollar Tree. The pages are okay. The paper is a little on the thin side, so you do have to be a bit careful. But yeah, I'm just using glitter pens for this, so I think it's coming out really pretty. So I will show the. I might be able to finish this up before the live show this week. So if I do, I'll show you the finished one on the live show. My diamond painting's coming along. I went a couple weeks without really touching it when I was sick. I was not feeling up to working on it at all. But it's kind of close to being done. So here is what it is looking like. Actually, that'll come up in just a minute. I did want to do an update. I decided not to go forward with Meals on Wheels. I know I was working on getting that set up, but y'all, they were going to charge me $6 a meal for meals that I've heard was not very good. So I decided I can probably do better just getting frozen meals from Kroger. Most of the time they run them for $10, and I can pick meals that I know I can eat. I can either microwave them or put them in the oven. So yeah, I decided that I just was not going to pay that much for a meal that I might not even be able to eat. So yeah, I decided not to move forward with that yet. I am also looking into prepared meal box delivery services. I haven't found. There's a couple I'm looking at that I would kind of like to try. I'll let you know if I try them, which ones. So let me know in the comments down below if you have used a meal kit service, not the ones that you have to cook, because I've used a couple of those and they're okay, but more and more I'm having days where I can't cook anything. So I need things that I could just pull out of my freezer and heat up and eat. So I'm looking for services that have things already put together that all I have to do is heat them through. So let me know in the comments if you use any services like that, what you like, what you didn't like, what the price range is, and yeah, just let me know if you're using anything like that. And now here is the creative part of the collaboration, the diamond painting I've been working on. Okay, guys, here is the diamond painting that I'm working on. It is turning out so pretty. I'm not sure the camera is actually picking up how much sparkle is on the beads, but you can see there's still a lot of empty spaces yet to fill in. There was a couple weeks that I was working on it where I didn't touch it because I was too sick. But I have the cross in the middle part, then you can really see how colorful it is. It is absolutely beautiful. But yeah, this picture is a little bit labor intensive because of all of the color changes. A lot of going back for spaces that I missed and found later, and it's just taking a lot of time to do. But yeah, you guys, I'm trying to decide what to do with this. I may give you guys a chance to purchase it when it's done. I'll have to see what we can come up with. So yeah, it's gonna be really pretty. If I do let someone buy this, I will have it sealed so that the beads stay in place when it's being shipped, and it'll come rolled up in a box and ready to put in a frame. So we'll see how long this takes me and how it goes. But yeah, you can really tell now. You can see that cross in the middle really stands out, and it's gonna be absolutely beautiful when it's done. And I can turn it this way, so that this is one that you can pretty much hang whichever direction you want, and it's gonna look right. So yeah, this is coming along slowly but surely. And I will show you guys the new tool that I got to work on this. It's been a game changer for me. So let me grab that, and I will show you what I got. All right, guys, I cannot wait to show you what I have. So I found this on Amazon. I'll link it down below in the description box. You can see it comes with a power cord, and it is just this really cute, very bright adjustable headband. It comes in a box of 2, and they are all adjustable. They are very, very bright. It comes with an emergency light and a full charge on bright will last about 6 hours, so you can charge one and use one. I also encourage anyone who lives in an area that the power goes out a lot, like I do here in Florida during storm season, especially if you have to use a walker or a wheelchair. I highly suggest putting these in your storm preps. When you know a storm is coming, get them out, get them charged up if the power goes out, and it gets dark out, you can safely walk around and get to the bathroom or the kitchen or wherever you need to go without trying to carry a flashlight and push a walker or roll a wheelchair. So yeah, I encourage everyone, even if you don't do the diamond painting or any crafty type things, you still need these for your prepping supplies. So yeah, very much recommended. I really like these. The headbands are all adjustable. My head can be hard to fit sometimes. You can angle this down, so if you are doing crafty stuff, you don't have to bend clear over to what you're doing. You can just angle the light down and you can see what you're doing. So yeah, 2 of these, $16.99 on Amazon. Very highly recommended for any kind of craft. If you like to color but have a hard time seeing what you're doing, any kind of crafty type things you might do, or just to have in your emergency preps for a backup light. These, you need to get these. So very much recommended. I can diamond paint all night long using these. Like I said, I charge one and use one. So yeah, I love those. So I was really excited to get those. I had a headband that came with magnifying glasses. They didn't last very long. The light kept going out on them and kept flickering, and it just didn't last very long. But these, I really like that they're rechargeable. You don't have to keep going through batteries all the time. So yeah, I strongly suggest those. I love them. So that concludes this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. I hope you enjoyed this color and create with U.S. rock art. I will put the hashtag in the description box down below so you can check out all of the other videos. I did get the new coloring book that they're gonna be starting in pretty soon. Until then, I'll just color on my own pages. So I'm just really excited for this open collaboration. So if you color or create anything, you feel free to join. They post new videos on Mondays. So I will be posting when I'm up to it. So I'm not sure when I will post mine, but as soon as I'm up to getting a video out, I will post what I'm working on for the week and let you know how my painting's coming along. So I hope y'all are having a fantastic week. The weather right here in Florida is beautiful. I may sit outside and color some on my coloring page and finish that up. So yeah, just get out there and enjoy the beautiful weather while you can. So I will end this by saying, be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.